Hello guys, in this video we will see what is DirectX Error Name in Battlefield and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step 1. What is DirectX Error Name? Content DirectX Error Name, frequently encountered in Battlefield titles, indicates that error device hung or error device removed issue. This essentially means the graphics card driver has stopped responding or has been reset by the operating system, often due to a timeout instability or a critical error within the driver itself. While the game points to DirectX, the root cause is usually related to an unstable graphics driver hardware issues like overheating or an unstable overclock or corrupted game files conflicting with the rendering pipeline. It results in the game crashing to the desktop. Step update or reinstall graphics drivers. Content the primary solution for DirectX Error Name is ensuring your graphics card drivers are up to date and stable. Visit the official website of your manufacturer, NVIDIA or AMD, to download the latest recommended drivers for your specific model. For a more thorough fix, perform a clean installation. Use a tool like Display Driver Uninstaller in Windows Safe Mod to completely remove existing drivers before installing the new ones. This eliminates potential conflicts from previous driver installations and ensures a fresh, stable driver environment, which is crucial for preventing driver timeouts. Step verify game files and DirectX components. Content corrupted or missing game files as well as an outdated or damaged DirectX installation can trigger this error for Battlefield games launched via the formerly Origin or Steam. Utilize the built-in verify game files or repair function within the respective client. This process scans and replaces any problematic game data. Additionally, ensure your system's DirectX runtime is current. While Windows updates usually handle this, you can manually download the DirectX end-user runtime web installer from Microsoft's website to ensure all necessary DirectX libraries are present and correctly installed. Step to address system stability and overclocking content hardware instability, particularly with the graphics card or GPU, can cause the driver to crash and generate DirectX Error Name. If you have any overclocks applied to your GPU or RAM, revert them to stock settings to rule out instability as the cause. Monitor your system temperatures using hardware monitoring software. Monitor MSI afterburner during gameplay to check for overheating, especially for your GPU. Excessive temperatures can force the GPU to throttle or cause driver crashes. Ensure your power supply unit has sufficient wattage and is stable, as an inadequate can also lead to driver issues under load. Step to adjust in-game settings and Windows configuration content to mitigate the error. Try lowering graphical settings within Battlefield such as texture, quality, resolution, anti-aliasing, and post-processing effects. Disabling future frame rendering or DXL, if available, can sometimes improve stability. Ensure your Windows operating system is fully updated as critical stability fixes are often delivered through Windows Update. Disable any third-party overlays, a Discord overlay, NVIDIA, GeForce Experience overlay, Steam overlay that might interfere with the game's rendering. Finally, check your virtual memory page file settings in Windows and ensure it is set to system managed size or a sufficiently large custom size to prevent memory-related issues.